Hello to all my friends out there. I hope everyone is doing okay. Okay, this video is quick, low cost, low cooking meals for the rest of the month, for the rest of the year. Okay, so what I want to do from this point on, I've stockpiled a lot of food, is I want to stop spending now for the rest of the year. So I want to show you the food I bought for the rest of this month to give you some idea how to get through the rest of this year without going crazy with food inflation. My radar is up. You know, I was a hairstylist and I seem to be doing okay, but I see others around me that could be doing better. And I thought, I'm going to do everything I possibly can now to protect my standard of living. So what I want to do now is eat down the food in my freezers, in my cupboards. So I have some Walmart bread, and I bought 2 of these. These are beef and cheddar bites, but the cheese is liberal, and it made a great grilled cheese sandwich. And then I just ate the sausages, and I have cheese in my freezer. And then I had this, this is really good soup. I could only get 1 package. I was searching around for it today. It was 50 cents, and I have 1 cup left for tomorrow. And then this is some chocolate milk that I stockpiled, and I heat it. And I put 1 tablespoon coffee creamer, and then I blend it in the blender, and I have that with a grilled cheese sandwich. So, okay, so lunch is pretty much set. Then Grocery Outlet had corn dogs for $2.99, so 50 cents each. And I have potatoes, so that is corn dogs and French fries. So that'll be good. Okay, this is a good one. I bought these eggs, 6 eggs for $1.25. And then I could make some refried beans. These are good beans. These are black beans with jalapenos. So if you have it, fry 2 pieces of bacon, remove the bacon, and fry a little piece of chorizo in the bacon fat. Then put your beans in and refry them, and then add milk little by little to get them as thick as you want. Then fry these corn tortillas crispy. Put the refried beans on top, and an egg and maybe some salsa if you have that. So at this point, we have plenty of grilled cheese sandwiches. We have 6 corn dogs and 6 eggs, and several bean tostadas. Okay, then I got these. I'm not adverse to plant-based food. These are chicken strips I got for $1.99, and then I have a bag of rice back there. So I want to mention something. So chicken and rice, chicken and potatoes, chicken, you know, you can make some stir fry with vegetables and have some chicken. So, you know, the possibilities are endless. But what I did is I went to Grocery Outlet where they have the discount shopping, and I just looked to see what they had. And then I got this pizza for $2.49. So that gave me 4 large pieces of pizza for 62 cents each. And I wanted to mention, if you have coffee creamer, if you mix your coffee creamer, 1/3 cup coffee creamer and 1 cup warm milk, you can make some awesome rice pudding. You just add, I usually make about 1/2 cup. I cover it and I bring it to a boil, and I add sugar and cinnamon. I boil it down, then I add the coffee creamer and I boil that, and that's going to give you some really nice rice pudding. Also, I bought this big bag of cookie mix, And today I had Pop-Tarts with my sandwiches. So basically, this is a lot of food for very little money. So for the rest of the year, I want to do whatever I have to do to quit spending, to just eat the food down I have and be grateful that I stockpile food. So now, for the rest of the year, I would switch from stockpiling food to just hoarding money. That's going to be the best thing you possibly can do. And don't let other people tell you how you should spend your money. Okay, in January, I'm having my 70th birthday, so I want to prepare for that a little bit. Nothing, I'm just going to make myself a cake, a little birthday party. So we want to stay positive, like onwards and upwards, not losing a grip on our standard of living. One of the scriptures I like is, I know the plans I have for you. This is the Lord's declaration, plans for a future, not for destruction, to give you a future and a hope. So we want to bear that in mind as we go onwards. Okay, there was 2 cyber attacks in Las Vegas, one at Caesars and one at MGM. Okay, Caesars the hackers said give us $30 million and then settled for $15 million. And the MGM has not paid them anything and is saying that there's a possibility they're not going to be able to pay the employees. Okay, so this is not good. So we have to be prepared for the grid down. And so what can be learned from this grid down? You're going to need some cash. You don't want to be down to your last dime and then your employer say, sorry, we can't pay you. Okay, so we're going to be hoarding some cash. Okay, so, and we're going to be preparing a little bit for Christmas so that we don't have a dismal Christmas. That would be dismal. Okay, just a minute now. I have some other stuff to tell you. I'm doing everything one-handed. Okay. Okay. Okay, so now think about this. Go through your food. Can you find 4 large cans of fruit? Can you find 4 large cans of vegetables? Do you have any heavy cream in your freezer? Do you have milk? Do you have 4 cans of beef stew? Do you have potatoes? Do you have rice? And do you have lettuce and tomato? Okay, so think about storable food. Go through your storable food and take stock of what you have, like instant potatoes, like rice, like flour. Potatoes are very important to have. Can I come up with some low-cost meals? Can I find some greatly reduced food? Food you are likely to run out of: canned food, pet food, beer, lettuce, and oranges. Okay, now think about soup, fruit, vegetables, stew, fish, and beans. Think about cereal and milk. Think about 2 cups of milk per day. Think about a sandwich and a small vegetable. That would be like this tomato soup, or some lettuce and tomatoes. Okay, no. Okay, think about this. Dry food, rice and beans, bread, potatoes, canned food, dehydrated food, bologna, hot dogs, peanut butter, 30 low-cost cans, pork and beans, soup, peas, green beans, cream corn so you can make soup, fish, sardines, frozen food. If you go to a pantry and they give you food, blanch it and freeze it. The vegetables, a lot of times on the fruit. You can just directly freeze it, or you can cook it down, just cover it with water, wash it, cover it with water, and boil it until it's soft, and add sugar and lemon and make some refrigerator jam. Year-round garden. The Mexican garden is cherry tomatoes, peppers, squash, onions, and radishes, and that is going to help you more than anything. Also, make sure you have sugar. So starting probably this week, since I'm probably not going to spend any money the rest of the year, I don't like what I'm seeing, I am going to start going to the food pantry. And at the one I went to, they give you mostly produce, and that's all I really need. And I will show you guys, and don't be prideful. Now is the time you want to protect what money you have. If you're in a good position, you want to guard your standard of living. If you're in not so good of a position, you're going to learn as we go along. Okay, you guys, please like, comment, and subscribe, and God bless you all.